Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best backpacking cook sets that you can buy today. When it comes to the best backpacking cookware to take with you into the backcountry, there are lots of choices out there. You don't want your backpack to be too heavy, but you still need something to make those warm meals at the end of the day. The best hiking cookware should be as lightweight as possible and not too big and bulky for your needs. Just add a backpacking stove and a Titanium Spork, and you are ready to cook. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing backpacking cook sets. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best backpacking cook sets, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. With all the hype about expensive high-end gear, this kettle set is a refreshing relief for the budget-minded. The pot is extremely tough. You'll get lots of years of use out of it. Straight out of the box, it is fairly impressive. It has a stainless steel construction with a very strong handle that, when squeezed, can fold across the lid and snap into place. You don't have to worry about your stuff falling out when it turns over. The compact size and cup storage makes it perfect for hiking and backpacking. Truthfully, the only problem that we found was the plastic tab on the lid. It melted off the first time we cooked with this pot on an open fire, but this is easily replaced with a large keyring, which allows you to hang the pot over a fire. The measurements are stamped into the side of the pot, so it takes any guesswork out of preparing dehydrated backpacker meals. The pros are, well, it's lightweight. It has marked measurements for backpacking meals. The handle folds across the lid and snaps in place to keep everything inside. And it's durable. However, a plastic tab on the lid will melt. And the cups that come with the set are small. For the small price of this set, the quality is incredible. It just goes to show that cost isn't always related to quality. In at number 4 is the GSI Outdoors Halulite Microdualist. This is a remarkably compact cook kit that contains a pot, a strainer lid, a canister stove, a windscreen, 2 sporks, 2 insulated bowls/mugs, and 2 non-insulated bowls. We made use of pretty much every component and enjoyed the convenience of having ample bowls for all our food. We wish that the bowls had been just a couple millimeters taller to allow a fuel canister to sit inside one of them. We sometimes removed one of the bowl mug sets and replaced it with fuel to keep our cook set compact. The integrated stove and windscreen were a puzzle to set up initially, but once we figured it out, they were easy to set up and worked well. The Microdualist pot was actually the slowest in our boil test when used with our test stove though. The pros are, it's compact and lightweight. It has plenty of bowls and containers, and it's affordable. However, the tall, narrow design means you can't carry a gas canister in it. It's slow to boil, and the windscreen is a bit clunky. This is a fantastic, affordable cook set that has everything you need, but it's not the most practical. The third product on our list is the Stanley Base Camp Cook Set. This cook set matches the performance and function of your home pot and pan, while nesting it all together with functional but small plates, bowls, and sporks. This kit comes fully loaded and has everything that you need. It features an ultra-durable stainless steel design with average cooking performance. Surprisingly, the skillet offers some of the best meat browning performances we've ever seen. Given that this set is heavy, it's best for those seeking a full camping set. It's a great price and the durability that'll last you a lifetime. All you need to add is a knife for chopping and drinking vessels of your choice. It excels in durability, cooking performance, included features, and value. The pros are, it's durable. It's an excellent frying pan for discerning cooks. It has a great lid, and it's great value for the set. However, it's heavy, and there is no non-stick coating. While it's best for car camping, you can get it into the backcountry if your partners are willing to carry a little extra weight or split it up amongst the group. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the Jetboil MiniMo. The Jetboil MiniMo shines for ease of use and convenience. It's lightning fast and intuitive to set up. The wide cook pot, made for much easier cooking and eating than the classic Jetboil flash. We also love the strainer lid. It was one of only 2 backpacking cook sets in our test that boiled water in less than 3 minutes. What's more, the insulated pot kept water hot for well over an hour. The single pot can only be used as part of the Jetboil stove system, so it's not the most versatile cookware. The Jetboil MiniMo is good value if you want a compact stove and cookware set that sets up in a snap and is easy to use. The pros are, it's light, it's fairly fuel efficient, it has a piezoelectric lighter, and it can simmer. However, it's not windproof. A step up from Jetboil's original stoves, the MiniMo has been in our lineup for a few years now, and it's our top choice for an integrated canister stove. The pot and burner system has been made more conducive to cooking and simmering with a wider base and better temperature control. The best backpacking cook set is the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cooking Set. The GSI Pinnacle Camper is the best cook set we have tested. It's a one-stop shop product made up of high-quality components. It provides excellent cooking performance, has many features, and allows you to easily pass out different items to different types of trips. It has what you need, with only well-thought-out extras. As with any extra components of a set like this, when space and weight matter more, you can leave things at home. The top-of-the-line Teflon radiance coating on both pots and the frying pan sheds all but the stickiest of foods. The lids fit tightly, hold their shape, lift easily, and have strainer holes for draining pasta and steamed vegetables. Straight out of the box, this is among the bulkier sets in our review. On the surface, this set of cookware is super heavy. However, when you correct for size and components, the difference isn't as profound. It has exactly the features you want and need, and nothing more. The pros are, it's comprehensive, it's really durable, and is made from high-end materials. However, the pot handle gets hot. Unless you absolutely know you need something more specialized, the GSI Pinnacle Camper is an easy, no-brainer choice. It is adaptable, functional, and suitable for a wide range of camp kitchen setups. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.